Well, hello, hey! You have just stumbled upon the first inaugural introductory video of That Aquaponics Guy online. And from yours truly, we thank you for clicking on us. Hey, you may be wondering why a guy that looks like a cross of Willie Robertson and the Duck Dynasty and Benny Hill is doing on a channel like this. Well, obviously we're going to be talking about everything aquaponics, but we're also going to be covering everything that you want to do with that backyard farm that you've been hunkering for. But along the way we're going to be covering what I call pioneer life hacks. Those things that our grandparents or our great-grandparents used to do to make life a little bit more bearable, even luxurious. Things that when there was a lot less automation and a whole lot less electronics that was done by our ancestors that would be able to make life that much more bearable. And these, with many more topics, we're going to be covering each week on this channel. What else you can expect from That Aquaponics Guy channel on YouTube, BitChute, and Rumble is a mix between a little bit of Mr. Green Jeans, and if you don't know who that is, give him a Google, and Captain Kangaroo. And again, if you're under 40, you might also have to Google him. This is a huge elephant to catch and cook, let alone eat. So we ask you to be patient with us as we move into our new digs online and tune our social voice. Alright, let's do some housekeeping here. Down below you'll be able to find our URL, our ThatAquaponicsGuy.com, as well as the social platforms that we're on currently. Also, if you would be so kind to press that subscribe button and obliterate that alert button so that you would be able to get each week the videos that we're putting on for That Aquaponics Guy. And lastly, we want to grow this channel as quickly as we possibly can. So if you would be so kind to share this within your social circles to those that want to hear about this most. And again, thank you for clicking on the most awesome channel that you'll ever find. At least about backyard farming for the suburban farmer like you and me. And remember, when you are prepared, ye shall not fear.